Something about XRP's potential use by the Federal Reserve of the U.S. was reported in the news. St. Louis Federal Reserve CFO David Antify has discussed the possibility of using Ripplet to process payments. It is now crystal evident that XRP is essential for Ripplet to facilitate these deals. According to David Antify, the Fed could outsource the management of the funds to a third party, such as Ripple. Because of this incident, XRP's value has the potential to skyrocket. It may potentially go up to $10,000, 0 cents, if it comes to fruition. Additionally, bear in mind that this is not an unexpected move by the Federal Reserve. The Federal Reserve formally announced their knowledge that XRP and XLM may assist in making the market correction a month or so ago. Blockchain technology integrated into their Federal Reserve strategy. Due to its innovative methods of making payments between various institutions and its open source transaction technology, the Ripple payment service is currently garnering a great deal of interest. Merging the Federal Reserve's operations with Ripple's technology, now the payment service is probably going to play a significant role in driving XRP's value to unfathomable heights. Hey there, please like and subscribe if you enjoyed the video. We will be giving away a lot of XRP when we reach 60,000 followers. There are just 3 easy steps to make a bid. Carry out each of the tasks. Make sure you secure a position by posting anything with the hashtag MoneySide. Now let's move on to today's purpose. Here we'll focus on Ripple's relationship with the Fed. This became official when posted on the Federal Reserve's website. The U.S. Path to Faster Payments was the title of the study. The report's first section focuses on the Quicker Payment Task Force strategy. It states that collaborating with the Federal Reserve to discover payment alternatives includes Ripple. According to the research, Ripple is the sole solution that can facilitate international payments in real time. These types of situations, typically. They are difficult to trace and take 2 or 4 days to transfer funds. Ripple eliminates this problem by facilitating instantaneous settlement of all fees and payments. Viewers can take a break and read about how Ripple and the Federal Reserve have expanded their collaboration to incorporate funds discussed at length in the paper, is the methods via which Ripple and other major U.S. and international financial institutions collaborate to enhance the country's payment infrastructure. The research also discusses Ripple Labs' novel approaches to fundamental payment processing, with an emphasis on providing a free global real-time settlement infrastructure to everyone. Is planning to employ Ripple's decentralized peer-to-peer settlement mechanism, which implies it will replace traditional money. Upon reflection, we can see that there were precursors to this shift. A year ago, the Federal Reserve discussed the possibility of a digital United States on Fox News, and the Ripple logo appeared multiple times, joining forces with the Bank of International Settlements and the Federal Reserve Board. International Monetary Fund, IMF, and Bank of International Settlements, BIS officials have added Ripple to their roster of shadow partners. These companies' interest in Ripple's tech is evident. Bank of International Settlements, BIS, holds a significant amount of global. It's significant that Ripple has entered the banking industry. Additionally, it includes a remark from Jess Chan, a senior council member at the Frederickshire Board of Governors. The United States Department of the Interior is the source. Rumor has it that this is being overseen by Jess, who was once Ripple's deputy general counsel. Those interested in the finer points will find a lot to unpack in this book. Every piece is there, rather satisfactory. Sure, but that's not all. What I am about to say will be agreed upon by many of you. The Federal Reserve has issued a warning to banks stating that they may incur losses due to increasing interest rates and real estate market pressures. Curiously, they've been discussing this with multiple partners since early March. It appears that the European Union and BRICS will both utilize XRP for its new digital euro. The European Union has even said that XRP will serve as its foundation. The transfer of wealth will be managed by the XRP ledger. This assertion that the value of XRP is going to skyrocket is supported by other reports. It may reach $500.00 soon, according to a famous analyst, 10 grand as it travels throughout the globe. Rumor has it that Ahu Bruto, one of Ripple's founders, came up with this notion. Watching the movie, it's easy to see how the XRP story is evolving. The BRICS nations have decided to collaborate with Ripple to develop their own digital currencies utilizing the XRP system. Even though the SEC case against Ripple is concluded, according to recent reports, the monetary authority, the world's financial system will benefit greatly from a digital money that is backed by physical assets. Since all 5 BRICS countries have shown indications of Ripple's huge network, we will investigate it further. We will begin our journey in Brazil, the site of a pivotal event. Brazil has launched an innovative cryptocurrency on-demand liquidity solution with the assistance of Ripple. The country's financial technology scene is taking a giant leap ahead with this endeavor. We will go on to France as the next country. The president's original intention to decouple the US dollar from the petrodollar has now been revised. A great deal of evidence supports this. Since SWIFT stated that Russia couldn't utilize its payment system, there has been a noticeable movement towards Ripple Labs on the XRP system. Our goal intends to create a CBDC or digital currency for the Russian central bank. In addition to violating the fast prohibition, this move capitalizes on the fact that so long as Russia maintains its focus on India, it can continue to engage with banks worldwide. The massive digital rupee project in India is powered by Ripple, and another major initiative is overseen by Ripple Labs. For India's ambitions to establish a CBDC on a global scale, this initiative is a major milestone. Technology forms its foundation. But wait, there's more to come. Now China is getting in on the action, collaborating with Ripple to enter the realm of state-issued digital currency. The significance of Ripple is growing in the financial sector. There is no difference in Africa. DCs are playing a more significant role in the XRP across Africa. According to the 2022 African Blockchain Report, Ripple and XRP are